Hello and welcome. Today we are looking at AC Infinity's Auto-Fill Valve Kit for their self-watering fabric pot bases. The Auto-Fill Valve Kit automatically refills your self-watering fabric pot bases and is easily expandable by connecting multiple bases. Thanks to its gravity-driven operation, this valve delivers dependable performance without the need for electricity, so you never have to worry about power outages. With oversized floats, a secure seal, and a rugged construction, this valve safeguards against leaks and ensures consistent operation. Thank you for checking out my channel. I really do appreciate it. Subscribe and click the bell to stay updated on all of my future projects.